Ladies and gentlemen from around the world, happy holidays to you and welcome to
Getting back together! We're supposed to be on the E-train, and the E-train's closed. So what are we doing, huh?
We don't know. I'm here. F is, or get on F. F is right here. We get on F. We switch right here.
We made it. But are we gonna go to the right place?
We don't know. No.
Probably not. It's a little rainy. We're doing great.
It didn't say 2019. I think we time traveled.
Wait, hold on. You guys look cute whenever I turn to you.
There's a giant gap. Oh my god. We're going. This guy just flashed us. He was just helicoptering the wiener around. It was the most disgusting thing I've ever seen.
And I were just having a really good conversation, and then we hear the girls going, "She's Kowalski, no, she's Kowalski." And I'm like, "Who's Kowalski?" They were trying to assign us penguins from Madagascar. We made friends with some children.
They're like horses and unicorns.
But Victoria won't talk to them. It's just Emily, Taya, and I talking to these children.
I'm busy.
She is.
I'm not grubby. I'm busy. I'm kidding. I feel like a fawn that was just born.
Like baby calves. Yep.
A suitor. Todd, thank you. Todd just pushes me down again.
Did you get the shot?
Yeah, but there's a man's face in it. Right there.
So we wait in line for this
We're waiting in line
pizza.
for amazing pizza.
And you know what else is going on?
It's Pee Wee Herman. Right there. Da-dong.
What's your take?
Why are my boobs so big?
Cheeto? I don't know what they look like. It looks like a Cheeto. I hope I have dollar bills. Nope, I gave all my dollar bills to Taya.
So sorry. I found this sketchy person on the subway.
There's no E-train.
Hey,
I can't see.
that's some cute officers.
GA alert.
They started running ahead.
We just had eye contact. We just made
They just made eye contact there. You went too far, buddy. You ran off and you were ahead of them. We fast. They slow. Taya called the comedy club because she had to check the dress code. She has little tiny rips in her jeans. And she had to call, okay? Top goes, oh no, does this hole count? I can't see it. Lucky number 13. And we got front row seat. Okay, so post comedy club. We were referred to as a lesbian book club.
Hashtag Mormon.
And then, not 5 seconds later, Victoria was getting asked about sex.
I responded, I don't care.
I think I killed her joke.
For like a solid 5 minutes. She was talking about, honey, do you not care about it?
She asked me if I was Mormon, if there was something wrong with me,
If she was
something happened
waiting.
to me. I just don't care.
Smile! Taya never thought she did it, but what did you do?
I ordered my first hot dog.
This vegetarian, but surprise, it's for Hop. Show it with pride.
Oh, good dog.
Are we cute? Hops are the best.
No, mine are really good. You look like you're from The Matrix.
Show them what you got. Where are they? We lost them. Welcome to Little Italy!
I look the same.
The Christmas tree.
Oh, do you just need lights?
Look, it's the star is up here.
Who needs lights when you're lit? Wait, I'm
trunk
wearing
is
green. I'm wearing green too.
Yeah, it's green and that's
Victoria? Is that you?
Is this where I get my Bitcoin? I need money.
Got ourselves up here
Look, it's
On
me in
this
the
step?
background.
on this step, but no one's here to take our picture. So
there's
we're
a bunch
kind of
of
just
people.
standing here. This happened. I got Victoria on me.
She's falling. Can we go that way?
Who's that, Victoria?
That's the real George Washington. Original.
Us trying to get a picture with the bull, but it's too big of an attraction. What the? Oh no!
Oh my god,
Chinese people fighting.
It's getting very, very physical.
Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Pray for us, pray for us.
Oh, they are getting.
There's a punch being thrown.
Look, there's a ball!
Hi.
Went into a Pan skincare place. Guy was Israeli. He had a really good,
I'm not sure. Don't go down.
really good pitch.
I have a feeling.
And anyway, his name's Tom. And Victoria's like, he's Israeli. That's why he did so good. And then she followed it with.
The Israelis hustled the Bible to the world. They can do anything.
So shout out to Tom.
Thank you, Tom.
Went down. We weren't supposed to go down.
Go down there. Listen to me next time.
We didn't listen to her. Got down there.
I was listening to Tom. He was telling me about the Bible.
Hey, can you do this? Making fun of Taya for reviewing all the bathrooms, so we're doing a review of our own. Wow, look at all these lovely things. We should sign this. Look at this, so clean. Wow.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Meet him. What's his name?
Dina the Dino.
We have the same thing.
Say hi to Dino.
I'm the Baros.
I'm a Triceratops. I want to be a raptor.
Look at them go. They're running.
Pick your dinosaur.
I don't know. Pick it for me. What am I?
Look, it's me and my dinosaur.
Really tall one.
So much history and it's natural.
Umbrella just for this.
Throw it! Hurry up and throw it!
$12. We only lost one thing. My umbrella.
Pop almost got broken by the barrier, and our friends, we made friends with the police officers. Shout out to the NYPD and
Thanks, Brooke and Doyle. Shout out. Love
we
you
made
guys.
friends with them.
Doyle, keep doing great.
So you get a towel? Yeah, I have snacks.
We have snacks.
I bought 3 towels, but the girls are waiting. So, do you want a towel?
It's okay if you're gonna use those.
But the towel, it's just like to put it in there, and the towel will absorb it.
Oh, that's
And then throw the towel out when it's done. No,
That's so
seriously.
Did you think of that, or did you ask
The
other
girls
people?
told me.
That's so smart.
Did you bring in your hat?
no, we didn't bring
We're
that.
not very prepared.
The pepper out. It's too heavy for me to hold on to it.
Okay, wait, I gotta get my wet glove off. I don't need water. I'll be fine. I can eat a whole bag of hot. No, I'm not gonna eat this whole bag. No, I said I can eat a whole bag of spicy stuff. Oh my god, this is big jerky. I can't see with the bag. It's really good. Taya's jacket's absorbing all the water.
All the raindrops fall and immediately enter the jacket.
It just sits on top.
Or rolls off.
No, mine soaks in too. Tay's doesn't look wet.
No, it doesn't look like
Yeah,
it's
because the
soaking through,
raindrops
though.
hit you and completely go
They
into
soak
the jacket.
in.
What do you want? I want a hat! And you want it? No! Where'd they go? Oh my god, it's so slow.
Jenny, what are you doing?
I'm a designer. I'm gonna take all of us to Paris.
Yes.
Take me home now because I'm done.
Let me see your fingers. They're no. What color are your fingers? They're purple.
Purple.
They're purple. And mine are pruny. Both our hair were straight before we left. Also, I started crying because it was so cold and I couldn't feel my hips. Right?
We're going home, we're going home, we're going home. We won't
Yeah,
be
Jenny
home.
wanted to get dinner, but that never got brought up again.
She wanted to go get $1,000 dinner.
Yeah, she's like, you want to go to a steakhouse? We're like, no.
We have $20.
Happy New Year! Last day in New York.
Is it-
What do you have to say?
Sad, unfortunate.
Pop doesn't seem to care.
Oh,
Last day. What do you think?
I don't want to leave. I'm good.
You what?
I'm good.
You're good?
Yeah, my head's itchy. Mr. Balls!
Bye, guys. So now it's just the West Coast wimps.
It's cold.
Our Midwestern friends left us.
My face is gonna be bright red from just being frozen.
And I will never complain about Arizona being cold again.
I probably will complain about San Diego being cold, but I'm freezing.